Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The idea of subscribing to a car is catching on. Finn Auto, which launched first in Germany and came to the U.S. earlier this year, has now added New York and Rhode Island to the growing list of states where its all-inclusive vehicle subscription service is available. It is app or web-based. A few clicks and the vehicle you choose for 6 months or a year is then delivered. The monthly fee includes insurance and maintenance too. And CEO Max Myers says the expansion will continue as the company seeks to offer more electric vehicles as well.
And we will not stop until we are pretty much in most, if not all states of America in the next months and years to come.
We've been impressed with what the company has to offer. You can find more at fin.auto. You can find us at techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.